Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to Websites You Can Use to Earn Some Extra Cash series, part 3. I forgot to tell you guys the cash out amount for Plenty Benjies. I'm just going to take a couple minutes to talk about that. So the cash out for Plenty Benjies is you can cash out through a virtual gift card for $5, Bitcoin for $3, a check for $5, and Skrill, I believe, is $5 as well. Okay? So remember that. You can cash out a virtual gift card for $5, Bitcoin for $3, a check for $5, and Skrill is for $5 as well. I just wanted to go over that really quick so you guys would know that. I'm so sorry I forgot to go over that in the last video. But we're going to get into this video right here. So, welcome to my channel, Dollars Make Sense. I would like for you guys to like this video, subscribe, share this video, and hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified whenever I upload a video. Just remember, these are videos that will help you guys make some extra cash, if you're willing to do the work. Okay, so here we are. Let's just start the video off. This is part 3. And the first video we're going to talk about is OfferNation. Same thing, you guys. You do offers. You do various tasks to get paid. Right here it says making money online is easy with OfferNation. We provide free paid surveys and worldwide offers to help you earn cash working online. Earn a 25-cent bonus when you join the best paid survey site. Take part in our surveys and get paid in just a few hours. Basically saying get points in just a few hours, okay? Say it tells you what they pay. Get paid via PayPal, Payza, and Skrill. Okay. And these are just some of the offers that they have. They have Tap Research. They have all these. So just remember, you guys, when you're doing, keep in mind that the lower cash out amounts are easy to get to if you guys are willing to put in the work. So OfferNation has a cash out amount of $1. And yes, you can get to that in one whole day. All you have to do is, I would just do the trial, the Tap Research surveys, because those ones you can get to $1 within a day doing that, and then you can cash out and make a payment proof video. Okay, so here's some payment proof here. I don't know if it'll let me show you this because I'm not signed in, so I wanted to show you guys this really quick. Excuse me. Okay, so here's just some payment proof. Hold on, still loading. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so this is just payment proof showing you the members that have crashed out on the site. Like I said, OfferNation's been around for a while, and the payout is $1. Okay, so we're gonna move on from this just because it's not really responding. So we're gonna go to the next one, which is another great site. Superpay.me. I know most of you have heard of this site. I have actually cashed out from this site. It is a really good site. And the cash out on this site is $1. And I have actually cashed out from Superpay.me, I believe twice. And they do pay. So the next time I make a cash out, I will show you guys proof that they do pay. And you can get up to $1 within a day. It's actually, I've done it. It's not hard. And they pay out through PayPal, Tango Card, Amazon, Skrill, or Bitcoin. And they have a video here. Let's just watch this video really quick. Okay, so there's a little video that just explains a little bit about superpay.me. Excuse me. Like I said, you guys can earn super quick on the site. I've done it. And, the next time I come on here and make it and reach $1, I will show you guys proof that I've actually cashed out on here. And we're just going to go ahead and get into the next video. The next site. I'm sorry, the next site. So the next site is called Rewarding Ways. Hold on one second. There we go. Rewarding Ways, okay? The same thing. It's the same, guys. Same thing. These are all paid to get paid to sites. You get paid to do various things, take surveys, all that. Same thing. Just remember one thing you got to remember before going on to different GPT sites is you need to clear your history, clear your cookies, whatever you want to call it, before you go onto the site, because it might block you from doing those same things you do on one site on another. So make sure you clear your history, you clear your cookies, refresh the page, restart the computer, whatever it is you need to do before going on to another get paid to site. And always remember, you need to sign up with your own internet connection, because some of these sites do not accept signing up from a library or a private connection. So make sure you sign up for your own internet that you have in your house, like any internet provider you have in your house. So try to sign up that way. It's easier if you do it that way. So this is Rewarding Ways, and this is a really good site. And the cash out minimum for Rewarding Ways is $1 as well. Excuse me. And I have not cashed out on Rewarding Ways yet, but I'm on my way there. I haven't even signed into the site in a while, but I'm going to get back into it just because I made a little list here of all the $1 cash out sites and added them all up, and it's a lot of money if I cashed out from all these sites. The ones that are $1 minimum cash out, it adds up to being a lot. So yeah, I think I'm going to get back into doing that. So that's Rewarding Ways, and the minimum cash out's $1. Just get paid to do various tasks, and we're going to keep going with the websites here. So the next one's called Keep Rewarding. The next website we're going to talk about here is called Keep Rewarding, and this is a amazing site. I have not cashed out on here yet, but like I said, I haven't been using these sites because I've been doing the other survey sites that I talked about in my other videos that I have on my YouTube channel. I've been doing those sites mainly because there's more money in it, but I believe that these sites don't need to be left out because there's a very low cash out threshold, and I think that needs to be recognized. Okay, so for Keep Rewarding, I didn't write down all the points, but for 110 points is $1, for 500 points is $5, and so on and so forth. Okay, so all you have to do is get to 110 points to get $1 and you're set. Okay, and 500 points is $5. Okay, so just do the surveys, do the offer walls, do the if there's tap research, do that. Do whatever you can on the site to earn the money that you need to cash out. Okay, 10 points is $1. Okay, remember that. 110 points is $1. Okay, so and for that, we're going to end this video, and I would like for you guys to like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. And that is the end of part 3 of websites you can use to earn some extra cash, and I'll see you guys in the next video.